Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 77 Y82 actual Bandit Trans Am. Factory air conditioning, Z-code 400, automatic transmission. This car has every option: rear defrost, cruise, power steering, power disc brakes, AC, cloth interior. It runs and drives excellent. It is coming soon. We're detailing it right now and getting it ready, but I wanted to get a sneak peek out there for everybody. This is the real deal special edition Y82 Black Bandit 77 model. Look at that shine. Factory cloth interior. These are the original seat covers, original dash pad. New AM FM retro stereo, even has a cloth insert in the door panels. New headliner, very nice and original seat covers. Just got finished buffing and getting ready to detail all the jams and everything, but I wanted to get a video out there for everybody. Factory Hurst TTops, Z-code 400 automatic, cruise control, AC, power windows. Really nice original seat covers and door panels. I mean, incredible. Nice weather strip. Whole 9 yards. Brand new. Year one. 15x8. Snowflake wheels with brand new Cobra radial TT tires. The paint is gorgeous. The body's solid. There's no rust. It's the real deal. It's documented with the original build sheet. And we've also ordered PHS documentation as well. Check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed and awesome day.